Namibia largely follows an independent foreign policy premised on the friend-to-all, enemy-to-none principle. The country's diplomatic dealings include staunch and traditional allies, as well as those gained after it became a republic. Though little is known about Namibia being involved in diplomatic rows, its government is often assertive where universal and other rights are concerned. The country continues to raise its voice for the self-determination for Western Sahara, the implementation of UN resolutions for Palestine, and for the lifting of the U.S. blockade against Cuba. Foreign policy experts have recently questioned Namibia's friend-to-all, enemy-to-none principle, even when certain situations call for the choosing of sides. Particular reference is made to its relations with Israel, Morocco, and others accused of disregarding international human rights laws. Ambassador Nanda says Namibia simply does not need to go to war over disagreements in policy approaches to get her message across.
Namibia is a principal country. We cannot afford to have enemies. We have differences in policy approaches. And so when people speak about friends to all and enemy to none, they want to refer to our relations with Israel. And of course, our principal position with Israel is that we speak for the freedom of the Palestinians, for Palestinians to be allowed the inalienable right to determine their own future. In multilateral diplomacy, you are allowed to have differences and come to converge. You negotiate to reach certain positions. We also have a principal position when it comes to the freedom of Western Sahara. We are not enemies to Morocco per se, but what we want is Morocco to adhere and implement all the UN resolutions, including UN Security Council resolutions, and allow a referendum for the people of Western Sahara to determine whether they want to be linked to Morocco or whether they want to go their own way, which at this moment is very clear that the people of Western Sahara want independence.
Namibia reviewed its foreign policy 5 years ago, which Ambassador Nanda says was done to reflect the dynamics of the changing world order and shift towards economic diplomacy. Blanche Koreses, NBC News.